Good morning, Mr. Aguanta. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm a little bit nervous right now because this is my first time to be interviewed for a job.
My first question is why did you apply for the web designer position at Bukso?
I applied because I want to use the skills I learned in web designs to help improve the university's website and online platform. I also want to be a part of institution that supports students and education. And I believe I can contribute by creating user-friendly and attractive designs.
What design tools do you know how to use?
I know how to use Figma and Adobe XD for designing layouts and user interfaces. I also use Canva for creating visual materials like banners and posters. For coding, I have basic knowledge about HTML and CSS to build and style web pages.
Did you do during your internship?
During my internship, I helped design digital materials, improve website, and organize online content. I also assisted in creating web pages layouts and made sure that the designs follow company styles and requirements. So this helps me learn how to work in real work environment.
What are your strengths as a web designer?
My strengths are my creativity, attention to detail, and willingness to learn. I make sure my designs are clean and easy to use. I also accept feedback and use it to improve my work so I can deliver better results.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am dedicated, responsible, and passionate about web design. I am willing to learn new technologies and trends. I am ready to use my skills to help improve Buxo's digital presence.
Thank you very much, Mr. Aguanta. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Thank you and goodbye.